who's in the business of or skill of marketing, everybody's joined here, right? Who are, storytellers or filmmakers or designers or marketers who want to post something to get the engagement. I feel like this is the time we all are like the musicians on Titanic. It's just that the ship is not sinking. Because all we need to do is, make sure that marketing today is a service, is not an interruption.
A quick introduction, why I'm talking about community here. I run a community called Digital Marketing Q&A with 70,000 members. I run a community with digital influencers. A lot of influencers are part of it with about 6,000 members. Social media marketing community on Facebook with about 1,400 members, and an Instagram influencer community with 500 plus members. It's a paid community where people have to pay to be accessible to that or to access to that community. But how did I build the community? What is the elements of the community? I will take you through that process, and I will leave a lot of situations in a Q&A round so that I can take you through what does it take for you to actually get the elements of building community around you. When I say building community, I basically mean that you build your thought leadership. You basically create an environment around you which is on the core of the content that you upload. So in nutshell, it's about building your personal brand. So what does it take on internet to build your personal brand?
So now my next question would be, because everybody right now in a stage where people, because people right now, most of the agencies, of course, don't have that much of a business, of course, because the spends are low, and of course everybody is trying to keep the cash with them. But I will still say, we all have sales team with us, and we all have mouths to feed. So my question to Vivek, coming back to you, is what is your agency right now doing are you acquiring new businesses and able to increase sales right now in COVID-19, or how is your sales going?
Actually, our sales are going good. One of the things that Harish mentioned, that we've been talking about digital transformation with a lot of companies for a very long time. And it was always this sort of back burner, right? It was never upfront, where the promoter or the CEO of the company would be excited or very, very interested in talking to you and doing something about it.
And I wanted to open this by clearing the air about what marketing automation is. I was preparing for this presentation and chatting with my team about it, about how marketing automation comes up in a lot of conversations. And many people have different definitions of what marketing automation is. But I think what we can all agree on is that we've all actually been exposed to marketing automation, but in a very crappy, unproductive, annoying type of marketing automation. And that's exactly what we want to avoid. The whole topic of today is converting leads into sales. And you're not going to do that if you're doing it in a poor, low value way.